So guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back again with another reaction video. And I believe this person name is Bunga featuring Noraniza Idris. And this song is called Intan Payung. I'm curious to see what it is. I've never heard of this person before. I might like it, who knows? Who knows? Drink and be happy. I want that. Come on, cassettes. That was my middle school. Okay. Oh, this song is called Bunga. 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 Come on. Love that green. I like her voice. She said, I'm not going to give you guys no choreo, but I'm going to give you some hand movements. I live. Come on, sister. Pose. They look so good. That was cute. I think that was a very good match. They voice really fits well to each other. But it's Bunga. I think it's called Bunga. Bunga. I believe that's a song, or the person is Intan Payung. This is very cute. I like this. I need more of them. I really do enjoy it. I love this. Is a very good mix together. But thanks to the one who recommended me to react to this. Now this is a new artist to listen to. I'm intrigued. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link down in the comment section to get to it as soon as possible. As always, who could you besides you? I really do appreciate it.